Hi, how's it going, guys? So today we're going to be installing a super cool JDM style mid spoiler on the Protege5. I got it, it's pre-painted, comes with all the good hardware that we need, and let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the pretty cool thing is that the spoiler came with all the appropriate hardware. It came with some foam to help it with vibrations. It came with some locator strips that you just tape on. This will make sure your hole is lined up. And some hardware with some locking nuts on there. Alrighty, this is the area that we're gonna mount to. So I'm gonna have to drill into the trunk area right here on both sides, 2 holes. And we're gonna have to actually drill through this double layered section on the trunk right here. So I'm not sure how I'm actually gonna line up the holes or if the drill bit will reach all the way through. We'll see. Alrighty, so I got the blue masking tape right here. What you're gonna wanna do is simply just lay it down onto the paint so that when you're test fitting the spoiler, you aren't scraping it at. And then also when you drill a hole, so there's gonna be that scrap metal spinning around. You don't want that scratching your paint right there. Alrighty, and then what we have here are these locator strips. So simply line them up in the hole, do some light blue tape on these, and then once you have the spoiler lined up where you want it on the car, you're gonna blue tape these strips down, and that way when you remove the spoiler off from the car, you're gonna have these strips here that have a little hole in them for the drill bit, the little 1/16, and then you're gonna drill the holes, and then you'll go back around for the second time with the larger drill bit to match the actual size of the screw, and then that way when you go back around, everything mounts up. So I got it lined up here. I have the mounting tabs or locator strips located. So hopefully when I lift this thing up, these locator strips will still be here, and then that's where we'll drill our holes, and we'll go on from there. Locator strips are down, and then I'll make sure that they're flat and even, do a little bit more tape. We'll start drilling on both sides over here. For finding the holes on the inside, this is the part that I thought would be kind of tricky because this is like the double layered structural support. So the first one is actually lined up basically right under where these little stoppers are. Unscrew that, and then the hole will be right up in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera. Yeah, right there. So that's where it is right there. The other one looks to be kind of where this other little indent is right here. What I'm gonna have to do is hopefully the longer drill bit, the bigger drill bit, hopefully we'll actually kind of go through and puncture that, and then we can get on the back side and make that hole even bigger, and then we should be able to mount this thing. Alrighty, so I got the larger drill bit here. This will actually match the bolt size. I'm gonna drill it. I'm thinking this side will actually go through and we can find that larger hole and I can drill onto the back side. And then this one, I'm gonna make this one a lot bigger, and then hopefully everything lines up and we'll mount this thing. Alrighty guys, so I got a larger hole right here, and the other one for the second part of the screw, I put some black paint primer on there. Alrighty guys, so I got the spoiler mounted. So behind camera, it took a little bit because I did mess up a little bit, but I did put that chalk just around the holes up there. I put some black primer on the holes to stop it from rusting, and everything's mounted. It looks pretty even. The only part that looks a little weird is that hole right there, but I don't know, that's the only thing that seems to be misaligned. Other than that, it's mounted really well. It's quite sturdy. Put the foam padding on here and it's on there. So yeah, so if you guys have a question or anything, put it down below, drop a like, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked it.